In this video, we're unboxing the Signia Pure Charge and Go iX hearing aids. This is what it will look like when you receive them in the mail from us. Inside you have all your user guides and quick start information. A little hard carrying case, just in case you want to keep them safe while you're on the go, but they should be in your ears. A standard charger and the hearing aids, of course. These ones are silver. They'll have receivers attached and some domes that we think will be appropriate for your ears and hearing loss. We will also include another assortment just in case those aren't the right ones. A wall plug, of course, very necessary, and some wax guards, which are important for keeping your hearing aids clean and working. A cleaning brush, which is my personal favorite tool here in the clinic, and a charger user guide. So really simple, easy to set up, and great hearing aids.
Thank you, Malia.